In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit text in an image in Canva. Now, before we continue, I must warn you this is a premium feature, so you'll need Canva Pro over here. Without it, unfortunately, you can't do it. So in case you have Canva Pro, you can then do it. Now, first you want to open up your design, of course, and then have an image which has some text inside it you would like to edit. And then you want to click on that specific image, like this one. Click on Edit up here, top left. And from here, inside Magic Studio, the first thing that pops up, you want to scroll to the right a bit by clicking this arrow. It says Grab Text. Now you want to click on Grab Text, and of course I don't have my Canva Pro right now on this account. So what will happen, it shows over here very well. So if I play this again for you, is it will just basically grab any text inside your image just like that, and you'll be able to edit it and modify it according to your own preferences. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.